Introduction to Effective Slack Channels.
Organizing Slack channels well can dramatically improve team communication and efficiency. In this tutorial, you'll learn step by step how to set up channels that keep conversations clear, topics focused, and collaboration smooth. Whether you have a small team or a large company, following these practical tips can make all the difference in your day-to-day workflow.
Planning your Slack channel structure.
Start by defining your team's needs and communication goals. List out projects, departments, and recurring topics that need dedicated spaces. Create categories like #announcements, #general, and #random for broad communication. Then add specific channels for projects or teams. Planning ahead prevents clutter and makes channels easy to find, keeping everyone on the same page.
Naming conventions for clarity.
Hey, clear, consistent channel names help everyone understand their purpose at a glance. Use prefixes such as #proj for projects or #team for different departments. For example, #proj marketing or #team support. Avoid vague names and be sure to update channel descriptions so members know exactly what each channel is for and who should be involved.
Setting channel roles and permissions.
Assign the right members and set permissions for each channel. Invite only relevant team members to project channels to keep conversations focused and confidential if needed. For sensitive topics, make channels private. Encourage assigning moderators to manage topics and pin important information, ensuring channels stay organized and valuable.
Maintaining and reviewing channels.
Regularly review your Slack channels to keep them effective and tidy. Archive channels that are no longer active and consolidate those with overlapping topics. Solicit feedback from your team to make improvements, ensuring the channel structure continues to support your evolving collaboration needs and stays aligned with team goals.
Tips for ongoing channel success.
Promote good channel habits to maximize Slack's effectiveness. Set guidelines for where to post updates or questions. Encourage the use of threads to organize discussions, and remind team members to keep conversations on topic. By following these best practices, your Slack channels will foster better communication, collaboration, and productivity.